Banks' secret trading zones revealed. Forex crypto stocks. Have you ever wondered how big players, like banks and hedge funds, seem to move the markets almost at will? Let me let you in on a secret. It's all about order blocks. Forex crypto stocks. An order block is a price area where institutions place a ton of buy or sell orders. Think of it as a battleground for supply and demand, where the real action happens. Let's break this down. Bullish order block, demand zone, appears before a big move up. Price drops into this area and big players load up on buys. Market shoots higher, example bounce off zone. Bearish order block, supply zone, appears before a big drop. Institutions sell heavy here, price tanks, example breakdown. So, how do traders like me use this? Simple, I mark these zones on higher time frames. H1, H4 daily. These blocks are where I expect the market to react. Big money plays here. If price returns to these zones, I look for signs to hop in with the institutions, not against them. Visualizing order blocks lets you trade smarter, not harder. Instead of guessing, you're following the money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading secrets. This is Click Trading. Let's ride those institutional waves together. They represent institutional supply and demand. Mark them on H1, H4, daily, and trade with the flow. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Click Trading, let's ride those institutional waves together.